Welcome back, everybody. It's me, Giant S303, and we're back after 30 minutes waiting for it to cool on the crystal growing experimental kit. So we're using the aluminum potassium sulfite crystals, seeds, to make a giant crystal come out. It's going to be coming out when everything grows and stuff. But we're going to be using red and blue to make the amethyst crystal right here on the package. The purple crystal. And so we're going to be getting 2 scoops of each. So let me just get the 2 scoops and we'll put it into the solution. Not even water anymore. 1 scoop. 2 scoop.
Be sure and don't move it.
And be sure to don't move it if you want to keep the crystal stable. Let me get the second scoop.
What color?
Of blue. Second blue scoop. There we go. So this is how it's going to be going. So we're going to look on here onto the instructions. So it says pour into the hexagonal transparent cover, which will also be used to create the growing crystals. Allow another 30 minutes of solution to stabilize. We did that. Now take 1 small bag of the seeding mixture to choose your color seeding or refer to the section H to mix the seeding. Over the surface on a warm solution, the particles should sink and spread evenly over the base of the large transparent cover. Note that handle the seeding mixture with care, because the pigment may cause stains. Number 5, the crystal need a temperature above 68 degrees to grow properly. So carefully put the large cover in a warm room or on top of your refrigerator where it will be warm. Place a piece of the kitchen paper under the transparent cover. As a mat, do not put the base on a large transparent cover. Choose a place where the transparent cover will remain undisturbed for at least 15 hours to allow the crystals to start growing. So that's what we're going to start to do. And there's one last part, but I might just skip that because this video is going to be too long.
Get your elbows off.
But
Elbows off.
But yeah.
Because you're moving the water.
So when we do that, it's going to be just like that, okay? And observe the crystals for every few hours in normal conditions. Your crystals will start growing in the first day. So I'll be showing tiny videos that will show little to no people, but you're going to be seeing my dog too. But observe the crystals every few hours. So as they start grow and reach about a width of 50 millimeters, about 2 inches, and a height of about 40 millimeters, 1.5 inches, in 4 to 7 days. The size will vary depending on the environment which the crystals are growing in. If the crystals environment are cold or humid, it will take longer for them to grow. So please be patient. It will be worth the wait. Thank you for watching.
See you in a day.
See you in a couple hours.